Over to the charging station. Looks like a regular P2 charging station. What is the difference compared to a P2?
Yeah, if we first start with what is similar, we see that the base plate is the same. It contains a F and N field, and that is used for the docking. If we look into the differences, you can see them on the rear here. Since it has no boundary wire, and there are no connectors for the boundary wires or for the guide wires.
What about the park button? Is it available for the EPOS mowers?
No, that has been removed since the park signal was sent via the boundary wire, and since we don't have any boundary wire any longer, we have removed the button.
So from now on we have to use the app completely for this one, for parking.
Yes. And the LED, status LED here, have the same colors except for the flashing blue, since we don't have any boundary wire. But otherwise we have the same colors.
So looking on the inside, it looks like a regular P2. That can't be true, must be some difference.
Yes, it's the same board, but it's another software, so it actually has another article number. So they shall not be mixed up. And we also removed some unnecessary cabling, since we don't have these external connectors for the wires.